Dear students, welcome to another session of mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss about the fractions. Here there are some flowers. There are 16 flowers as whole. When we divide these 16 whole flowers into two equal parts, for each part it will get 8 flowers. That means 16 is divided by 2, it is equals to 8. That is, half of 16 is 8. It is 8. Or we can write it as half into 16 is equals to 8. Now, for another example here, there is a square, and this square, when we divide this square into two equal parts, it will become 1 by 2. So, when we divide these two equal parts into 4 equal parts, when we divide it into equally, it will become 2 by 4. We can say these two are equal because we made here 4 equal parts, but we divided into 2 parts. Here also we divide 2 parts, but we shade only 1 part. We think we can see here this part is equal to this part, but here it is 1 part, here it is 2 part. Even we can say this part is equal to this part. So we can say half is equals to 2 by 4. That means these two fractions are equivalent fractions. These two are equivalent fractions. To check whether these two equivalent fractions are, we can say which are the fractions are equivalent fractions. Okay, when we multiply 2 for both the numerator and denominator of this fraction, we get equivalent fractions. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We get equivalent fraction of higher order. For this 2 by 4, when we divide same number for both numerator and denominator, we get 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are. We get 1 by 2 here. Here we get the equivalent fractions of lower order. That means this is the relationship between these 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. That means equivalent fraction is the numerator and the denominator of a fraction, of any fraction. The numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number, when we multiply any number, same number for the numerator and denominator of a fraction, we get equivalent fractions. I think everyone understood these equivalent fractions. Now we go to check which are the equivalent fractions. How to check equivalent fractions? If Radha has two by four of apple with her, and Rama has 4 by 8 of apple with her, and find whether both of the people or both of them it has same fraction of apple. When we check like this, it become 2 by 4. To check whether it is equivalent fractions or not, we need to cross multiply this both of the fractions, 2 by 4 and 4 by 8. When we cross multiply these two fractions, 2 into 8, 2 8s are 16. Here 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16. What we get, the product is here, it is same. Then hence we can say Radha and Rama has same fraction of apple with them. Dear children, this is the method to find out whether it is equivalent fractions or not. We will see another example to check the equivalent fractions here. For example, are 14 by 35 and 18 by 40. These are equivalent or not? Now we can say, when we cross check these fractions, 14 by 35 and 18 by 40. Multiply this 14 into 40. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, and we get 5 here. And for this 35 into 18. 18 5s are 90. For 9 is carry here. 18 3s are 54. 54 plus 9 is 63. It become 630. Here the both products are different. Hence we can say, hence 14 by 35 and 18 by 40 are not equivalent. This is the method to find out and to check equivalent fractions. Thank you everyone.